Ready to ditch the emotional roller coaster of crypto trading and automate your profits on Photon? Let's dive in. First, navigate to the trading pair you want to automate now. Locate the Sell Order section, typically found below the chart or within the order placement panel. Make sure you are in the Sell tab. Next, change your sell order type from market order to limit order or conditional order. A limit order will execute at a specific price you set, while conditional orders trigger based on predetermined conditions. Now, for limit orders, enter the price at which you want to sell your tokens. This is crucial. Choose a price that aligns with your profit target. Specify the amount of tokens you wish to sell. You can enter a specific number or use the percentage shortcuts to automatically sell a portion of your holdings, like 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. To automate with conditions, explore the advanced settings here. You can set triggers like a specific price drop to limit losses or a price increase to secure profits. For instance, you could set a trigger to sell half of your tokens if the price drops below a certain point, acting as a stop loss, or, conversely, sell a portion when it hits a new high. Finally, double-check all your settings, and then click Place Sell Order. Review the confirmation message to ensure all details are correct. Your automated sell order is now active. It will execute automatically once your specified conditions are met, freeing you from constant monitoring. Experiment with different strategies and enjoy automated trading with Photon.